Alright, so we have the new Oral-B IO Series 9. This is an unboxing video, even though I already unboxed it. Just kind of hard to do with only one hand. Alright, here we go. So it looks like we have the base model. And we got some instructions on the right hand side. Let's go a little deeper. Alright, here we go. Wow. Alright. So it looks like we have some heads for the toothbrush. Got 1, 2, Jesus, 3, and 4. That'll last a while. And it looks like we have, what I'm guessing is the traveling carry case that charges too. That's pretty nifty. Alright. And I'm guessing this is the charging base for home. It looks like it has a 360 charge plate, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in a certain way, which is nice. And then I am guessing this is the charger for the traveling case. So, and down here it looks like it has some type of manual or something. But anyways, that is the unboxing of the new Oral-B IO Series 9. Can't wait to try it.